So, Assalamu alaikum. This is actually a practice on this book, which is a practice on what is called the Shedda. So, this is the Shedda, and the Shedda, you're basically going to press and release. So, to press and release actually means you're making this sound. So, you're making a press on the letter. So, ta, 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 ta. That letter that has the Shedda, you are going to be pressing on it. An example right here, رب, بت, حث, and notice that we're pressing and then we're releasing. th, حج, صح, ضخ, قد, شذ, كر, أز, مس, هش. Again, pressing and releasing. On this page, it's simply within the words. Notice how we're doing. يأست, سبحت. Notice we are pressing and releasing. سبحت. رتبت. رتبت. Look at this one. وثقت. Notice how we're pausing on the right there because it has a shadda. Again, think of it as press and release or grab and release. فجرت. فجرت. وحدت. وحدت. أخرت. أخرت. قدرت. قدرت. عذبت. 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 Now going to the bottom. بررت. بررت. Notice how we're pausing at that letter. It's like it has a sukoon. So the shadda actually means that it's the same letter repeated twice. The first side of it is with a sukoon. The second side of it is with not a sukoon. But in this situation, it's a fatha. So barrarat, nazzalat, wassa'at, hashamat, rassa'at, khaddarat. Notice how we're grabbing and releasing. خضرت. قطعت. عظمت. سعرت. سعرت. And we're going to go to the other page. And the same way that we just did earlier, we're going to be doing this one. رغبت. وفقت. عقدت. أكدت. كلمت. أمنت. صنعت. صنعت. سولت. جهزت. جهزت. آمنا بالله. آمنا بالله. ثم توليتم. 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 سبح لله. لله. This one's a bit tricky. لله. لم يتسنه. لم يتسنه. يتقدم. يتقدم. يتقدم أو يتأخر. Notice how we pressed on that one. يتأخر. وظن أنه. Notice we've got the shadda twice again. It's called shadda. Shadda means you're giving it pressure, but technically you're actually making that letter twice. So what does making the letter twice actually mean? What it means, let's take this ba, for example, all right? And that way we can actually see. So this letter ba right there is actually a ba with a sukoon and a ba with a fatha. This noon right here is actually a noon with a sukoon and a noon with a fatha. This meme right here is a noon with a sukoon and a meme with a fatha. All right. This noon right there, noon with a sukoon and a noon with a fatha, and so forth, just for us to get an idea of what we're actually talking about. So let's move on with another page so we can see it right there. وَنَعَمَهُ وَنَعَمَهُ فَلَا صَدَّقَ وَلَا صَلَّى. فَلَا صَدَّقَ وَلَا صَلَّى. ولكن كذب. كذب وتولى. وتولى. وغرهم. وغرهم. لعلنا نتبع. نتبع. فلما أحس أحس أحس. Now going for the other one. إن أول فمن حج البيت فمن حج البيت حتى يتبين فلما كلمه قال كأنهم أئنك وعزني moving on. زينا. Notice this one's a bit tricky because you got two shaddas. زينا. Put it together. نجينا وصرفنا ولا تسمعن يبصرونهم وليتلطف not يتلطف وليتلطف ركعا سجدا خشعا لجة سلما شرعا حلاف خوان ختار صبار بناء غواص. So this is it. And of course in the Qaida Baghdadiya, it's basically from page, I think we did from page 122 or 123 to 129. That's it for today. And Jazakumullah khairan. We'll stop the recording.